you can write your path with your teeth and voice. Iba yung may utak, pero iba pa rin pag may puso, tapang at prinsipyo. The line from Bawat Daan by Ebeden said, nag-iisang tiyak sa 1,000 duda. Reminds me to keep believing in myself. After almost 11 years of waiting, I now hold this title with highest honors. More than an award, it proves that you can rise no matter where you begin. I would not have achieved this without the people who have guided and supported me until now. I want to thank them through my voice and words, and in the sincerest way I know, through my heart. To our beloved school, St. Paul's School of San Antonio, thank you for being our second home for many years. Thank you for allowing students to showcase and develop their talents and knowledge. Thank you for the years of guidance. SPSSA, the maker of future professionals. May it be that when I return, I will no longer be a student, but a full-fledged teacher, and if I am fortunate, a licensed lawyer. We, your students, are proud to say, we are certified Paulinians. Yesterday, today, and always. To our teachers, especially Ma'am Ana Rose Bitangkol, Ma'am Roderick Abada, and Sir Denmark Pactor, maraming salamat po. You made a significant impact on our lives. Your love and support will stay with us as we grow. The lessons you taught, both in school and in life, will remain in our hearts. To my best advisor, Ma'am Erica Joy Celis, thank you for all the wisdom you've shared, strengthened by the love and care you've generously given. Under your guidance, I didn't just grow academically, I also learned to shape my perspective and character. Your persistent support and guidance have been a light for us students.
We are requesting all of the class advisors to please be here on stage. Thank you. And also, we are reminding everyone, especially those students, after po natin makuha ang diploma, babalik lang po tayo sa ating upuan. Again, pagkatapos po natin ma-receive ang ating diploma, babalik lamang po tayo sa ating mga upuan. Thank you.
And then a little reminder, my dear graduates and parents, yung nare-receive po ninyo is not the original diploma, hindi po ito yung maipapasa natin sa enrollment. Ito po ay tentative copy pa lang kasi po wala pa po yung special order na para po sa bawat rata na graduate natin. Okay po? Hindi po ito gagamitin para ipasa sa kung saan kasi po papalitan po namin ito ng original once na may SO na tayo. Thank you so much po.
I have the honor to present to you the graduates of academic track under accountancy, business management strand from the section of grade 12 State University, boys. Atangan Aris Algas. Betito Carl Andrew Ortiz. Julia Daniel Gabriel Liwa. De la Cruz Jairmiel Picos. Gabriel Matthew Ermita. Gonzalez Mark Jeremy Francisco. Gutierrez Jaumark Crisostomo. Labli. Reyes Bea Duchelle Garcia. Rodriguez Ange Joy Banso.